Hi, hello, and welcome back to our channel, viewers. Hope you guys are having a great day. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into Carrington Mortgage. So basically, Carrington Mortgage is a website which provides you mortgage. And for those people who do not know mortgage basically means loan, and there are various type of loans, and it depends on what type of loan you take. Now with that said, let me show you guys how you guys can log in into its account. And yeah, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's move on, shall we? So the first step is you want to search for Carrington Mortgage login. Click on the first link over here. It will take you to its official website. Now once you're over here, what you want to do is scroll a bit down, and where it says username, enter the username of your account. Where it says password, enter the password of your account over here like this, and then click on sign in, and you should be able to log in into your Carrington account. It's that simple. So hope you guys understand, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then everybody, and have a nice day.